The special court at Merces on Wednesday partly heard the bail application filed by prime accused Zenito Cardozo in activist Rama Kankonkar attempt to murder case. The counsel representing Zenito Cardozo contended that previously the bail application of Zenito Cardozo was rejected, citing confirmation of his conviction and sentence by the High Court in Sridao culpable homicide not amounting to murder case. But this time the fact is that the Supreme Court has allowed the SLP filed by Zenito Cardozo, and the Supreme Court has also suspended the conviction and the sentence. Means he has not surrendered before the court and not serving the sentence, and the Supreme Court has granted his relief, and the Supreme Court hear this matter afresh on his conviction and his sentence. Means that background, that past should not be treated in the present case. Another argument of counsel of Zenito Cardozo was that Zenito is framed in this case merely on the confessional statement of co-accused, which is not admissible before the court. Zenito's counsel further contended that there is no call record in the charge sheet connecting Zenito Cardozo with the other co-accused in the case. Zenito's counsel further contended that even if it is considered that Zenito has deleted the data of his mobile phone and he has been booked for the destruction of evidence in this case, also this section is bailable, hence he cannot be denied bail in this matter. The court has partly heard the arguments presented by Zenito's counsel and the arguments by intervener Rama Kankonkar and public prosecutor will continue on Friday. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.